Welcome once again in online class. I hope all of you are well and good at your home. In previous class, we studied that what is weather, from where we get information about weather, who prepare weather report, as well as how rainfall is measured. Okay, so what is weather? The day-to-day condition of atmosphere at any place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. And what are the elements of weather? The temperature, humidity, rainfall and other factors are called elements of weather. Now, from where we get information about weather? We get information about weather from weather report. And who prepared this report? The meteorological department of government prepared this weather report. They collect data of temperature and other factors and then predict about weather of that particular place. Now, how we measure rainfall? An instrument used for measuring rainfall is called a rain gauge. It is basically a cylinder with a scale and a cone on the top of this cylinder. Okay. So, one more important thing, that a special type of thermometer is used for measuring weather. And these thermometers are called maximum minimum thermometer, as we studied in earlier chapter heat. That a special type of thermometer is used for measuring weather, and these thermometers are called maximum minimum thermometer. So, now we are going to discuss that during the day when we get maximum heat and when minimum. Okay, so the simple answer is that the maximum temperatures of the day occurs generally in the afternoon and the minimum temperatures occurs generally in the early morning. Okay, so the maximum temperatures occurs generally in the afternoon and the minimum temperatures occurs in the early morning. Now you can easily understood that in summers we feel so miserable in the afternoon and comparatively so comfortable in the early morning. So in समर्स में हम गर्मी के जो टाइम होते हैं उस टाइम पे हम आफ्टरनून में सो मिजरेबल फीलिंग हमें होती है, बहुत ज्यादा मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर हम फील करते हैं और कंपैरेटिवली कंफर्टेबल इन दी अर्ली मॉर्निंग, और अर्ली मॉर्निंग में बहुत कंफर्टेबल रहता है इन समर्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज the maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon and the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. Now, I was wonder why weather changes so frequently. कि weather वो frequently change क्यों होते रहता है? And in today's class, we studied that the maximum temperatures of the day occurs generally in the afternoon and the minimum temperatures occurs generally in the early morning. And now we can understand that in summers we feel miserable in the afternoon and comparatively comfortable in the early morning. And also we get answers of questions such as that why weather changes so frequently and what is the source of weather in the first place. And the answer is All the changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The sun is the huge pair of hot gases at a very high temperature. The distance of sun from us is very large. Even then, the energy sent out by the sun is a huge that it is the source of all heat and light on the earth. So, the sun is the primary source of energy that causes changes in the weather. Okay, so that's all for today. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.